How to create a Corona proxy in 3x Max. This is the objects. First you have to attach the all parts of the object. See the pivot point on the 0 level. You can make Corona proxy with different ways. First go to the geometry, select Corona, add Corona proxy and pick the object. Second way, go to the Corona bar, click on the add Corona proxy and pick the object. Third way is right click on the screen and select Corona proxy exporter if it is not showing. Now go to the customize, quads, category, select Corona render, drag Corona proxy exporter on the right side. Select the object, right click on the screen and select Corona proxy exporter. Set the path. Make the name of Corona proxy and click on the export. Your proxy is ready. Now go to the modifier. You can set the display. Copy the proxy as an instant. See the interactive.